Hey, welcome back. This is Kurt with WP Tonic in our WordPress Basics course. This particular lesson is a little kind of out of alignment overall in talking about cadence, but I feel like it's related to design. So I wanted to insert this right here. When you are building a website, it's important that you have a way to aggregate information or have users communicate with you. And that's usually done through a thing called forms. Now, our starter template came with forms in the back of the website, most notably on the contact page. When somebody comes to WP Tonic and does our hosting package with WP Tonic, we offer them the Fluent suite of tools. So that would be Fluent Form, Fluent CRM, and Fluent Scheduling based on their needs. So, what I want to show you in this lesson is how to go ahead and take the Fluent form and embed that into the contact page, replacing the form that came with the starter template. Now, this is important because a Fluent form is going to integrate directly with Lifter LMS. It's going to integrate directly with Fluent CRM, and it's going to be an integral tool in how you build your digital marketing mail list as you move forward with your project. So that's why I wanted to cover it here kind of as quickly and as upfront as possible. Now, here we are on our contact page, and you'll see right here that we have a contact form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into edit the page. And as this edit page comes up, you'll notice the same as when we did the home page, we're going to have little blue kind of squares that come up around our content. So here we see the container. The larger of the blue lines is the whole container, which is going to have our background image and things like that. And then we've got this one right here in the center. If I click in that, you're going to see I get the three dots again that open up as an option, and it's going to ask me if I want to delete that item. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that form. And now right here in this box, you see where this plus sign is? Remember, this container is what has the styling and that background image. So if I click inside the container inside that, I can add, and right here, I'm going to type in Fluent. And when I do that, you'll see I'll get the choice for a Fluent form. So let's select Fluent form, and it asks me select the form, and I'm going to go with the contact form demo, and that's going to load right up for us. So almost instantly, I'm able to take out a generic form that's not going to integrate with my CRM or my learning platform or work with digital marketing in a true sense. And I'm able to put in higher performing Fluent form that will integrate with the CRM, the learning platform, and work for my digital marketing goals. And so by doing that just quickly, we're going to quick hit update. And then what I like to do whenever I make an update is I still want to preview that screen, and I'm going to make sure that it displays the way I want it to, and that it's effective for my users and the user experience. And it is. So let's go ahead and close this down. And real quickly, that's how to add the Fluent form to your contact page. Now, later in our lessons, we'll go in a little bit deeper on Fluent forms and those integrations and how to use them. But again, I just wanted to inject that lesson right here because I felt like it was important as we talk about the overall design and how you're changing the font, the images, the content as far as your pictures and video. And then that content, that contact form to me was also important to bring up at this time. We'll see you in the next lesson.